Let's solve this geometry problem carefully and find the value of a step-by-step. Notice that triangle ABC is a right triangle because angle C is 90 degrees, and at point B, the two 30-degree angles add together to give a total angle of 60 degrees. Also notice that point P lies on the vertical side AC, where PC equals 4 units and AP equals A, which is the value we need to find. Let's begin by looking at the smaller right triangle BCP. Since angle B is 30 degrees, we can apply the tangent ratio. Remember that tangent of an angle equals the length of the opposite side divided by the length of the adjacent side. Here, the side opposite 30 degrees is PC, which is 4, and the adjacent side is BC. So we can write tangent 30 degrees equals 4 divided by BC. We know the tangent 30 degrees equals 1 divided by square root of 3. Therefore, 1 divided by square root of 3 equals 4 divided by BC. Now let's solve for BC by cross-multiplying. This gives BC equals 4 multiplied by square root of 3. Keep this result because we'll use it in the next step. Now, let's move to the larger right triangle ABC. Here, angle B is 60 degrees, so once again we use the tangent ratio. Tangent 60 degrees equals the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. The opposite side is AC, and since AC is made up of AP plus PC, its total length is A plus 4. The adjacent side is BC, which we just found to be 4 multiplied by square root of 3. So we can write tangent 60 degrees equals the quantity A plus 4 divided by 4 multiplied by square root of 3. Since tangent 60 degrees equals square root of 3, we have square root of 3 equals the quantity A plus 4 divided by 4 multiplied by square root of 3. Now let's multiply both sides by 4, multiplied by square root of 3. On the left side, square root of 3 multiplied by 4, multiplied by square root of 3 becomes 4, multiplied by 3 because square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 equals 3. That gives us 12 equals A plus 4. Finally, subtract 4 from both sides, and we get A equals 8. So the required length of A is 8 units. If this explanation helped you understand the solution, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more challenging geometry problems, and let me know your answer in the comments before checking the solution.